Hi everyone, welcome back to Gide Academy. In this video I'm going to show you how to multiply radicals. I have got two examples, so I'm going to start with the first one. So the first one, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 by 7 and 2 by 6. So 3 times 7 square root of 2 times 6. So 3 times 7 is 21 square root of 12. Now this wouldn't be our final answer, especially if we have to simplify. So let's express 12 as a multiple of its prime numbers, factors. So 12 by 2 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. Now since we have a square root, so these two become just 1, 2, so that we're going to have here 21 times 2 square root of 3. So this number 3 goes in here. So we have 3 here. So our final answer will look like 21 times by 2 is 42 square root of 3. That is it. Alright, let's look at the next second example. Here we have an exponent. So first thing we want to do is let's rewrite this as a multiple of two expressions. So I'm going to place here 3 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 3, and here the same 3 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 3. Next we're going to FOIL. So to do that we're going to multiply this one first. So we're going to have 3 times 3 square root 5 times 5. Next we're going to multiply these two. Now 3 times negative 2 is going to be a negative number, so we're going to have 2 times 3 square root 3 times 5. Next we're going to multiply these two. So again here we have a negative and there is a positive, so we'll get a negative, and it's going to be 2 times 3 square root 3 times 5. And last we have two negatives, so we're multiplying two negatives here. So we're going to end up with a positive, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So negative 2 times negative 2 will give us a positive number. So 2 times 2 square root 3 times 3. Alright, so next let's simplify. So 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 3 is 6. And inside we have 15. Again 6, 15 plus 4, 9. So square root of 25 and square root of 9 are both perfect squares. So here we have 9 times 5. These two, they can actually be added up, because inside the radical we have the same number, 15, 15. So here we'll actually get 12 square root of 15. Why 12? 6 plus 6 plus 4 times square root of 9, 3. Now 9 times 5 is 45. Square root of 15 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Now we can combine, we can add 45 and 12, which would give us 57 minus 12 square root of 15. This is actually our final answer. Now 15, if you write this in terms of its prime multiples, it's actually 3 and 5, and since we have a square root here, we don't have enough 2's or enough 5's to take out anything, so this becomes our final answer.